In front of me is INFINIX Hot 50 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then click on this icon at the top right corner and enjoy using your app in pop-up view after tapping on this tiny window. If you want to move it around, hold those three dots at the top and drag it. To resize it, hold one of its corners. And drag it as well. If you want to, you can use more options of pop-up view by clicking on those three dots at the top and operating those. To use your app in full screen view, you can hold one of its corners and slide it all the way down until you see full screen option, or simply click on this icon at the top left corner. To close your app, just click on this one at the top right one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!